Today we're gonna be doing a fall makeup routine, perhaps the only fall makeup routine you will ever need. So let's get right into it. Sunscreen. Yes, it's fall. Yes, the sun doesn't come out as much, but we still rock with the sunscreen. I'm using the Super Goop Unseen sunscreen. It literally feels like nothing. I know some people hate the feeling of like these kinds of sunscreens, but personally, I like it because it just like soaks into your skin and it's just gone, but it's there. But anyway, we still rock with the sunscreen because we don't want premature aging, okay? That's not the lane I'm going down. Unfortunately, my summer glow, my summer sheen, my summer skin color has dissipated. So in order to kind of bring some of that back and revive some of that, I am gonna be using the e.l.f. Halo Glow. If you know anything about this product, it's been sold out forever. I don't think it's sold out anymore, but I finally got my hands on it. And I actually got a shade that's a little bit too dark for me, but it was the only one that was there that was closest to my shade. So I decided to get it, and it's actually great as like a glowy bronzer that just brightens up the skin, warms up the skin, glows up the skin. So I'm actually really glad that I got a shade that's a little bit deeper. I'm trying to go for products that are illuminating, hydrating, moisturizing, and I love the CoverGirl Skin Milk. I'm in the shade Tan. This is just a very light, sort of like tinted moisturizer that gives you a light coverage, but it gives you lots of moisture. I just like to go like this. And my skin is currently recovering from my period. I unfortunately had a lot of breakouts on my last period, so we're looking a little worse for wear. My eyebrows also need done. But you know what, we're gonna make it work because we don't always have perfect circumstances, but that doesn't mean you can't try, okay? Brightens up the skin, evens out the skin tone, covers up some of my dark circles, gives me a nice glow. It's also only $10 at Target, so I recommend you go and try it. I actually got a new beauty blender. This one's from Morphe, and it's got all these angles and like all these curves, and I wasn't so sure I was gonna like it at first, but now I really do. I think it works really well. The base is on. We're already looking more live, we're looking more fresh, we're looking more even. Let me show you how I use the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I know some people like to use this all over their face as like light foundation, but because my shade is a little bit too dark for me, I don't do that. I just like put it where I would put bronzer. So I use it as a cream bronzer. It's really what I use this for, and it works so well. You don't know how many compliments I get, like, Apia, your skin is glowing. I'm like, I know. So I just like to put this like, you know, where you would put bronzer. Blend away. I kind of like work it in like a circular, look at that. You see that glow that just appeared? Wow. I kind of work it in like a circular motion and then bring it up around my head. Just make sure that it's blended enough that there's no harsh lines. But like, look at that glow. Do you, like, I don't know what they put in this child, but that glow, and it literally lasts all day. Like, the glow on this is just amazing. Like, I truly understand why the girlies went crazy for this. I really do. It's an incredible product. We're gonna do the brows, and I'm just gonna kind of show you the products I use, and then I'm gonna kind of skip through this part just because I have many brow tutorials on my channel if you want to go back and look at some. But I just like to take a little spoolie and kind of brush them up. The NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen. And this is a really good dupe for the Glossier Brow Flick. I just kind of fill them in. That's literally all I do. Brows are done, they're looking good. The next part is we're gonna do a little bit of blush. I'm gonna use the ColourPop Stick Blush in the shade Aloha. Again, for me, fall makeup is really just bringing back, because I think my summer makeup is really the makeup that I want to have all the time. And like, I love it when my skin gets deeper and I'm just like dewy. Like that's my makeup look all the time. So in the fall and winter, when my skin gets drier, my skin gets lighter, I'm always just trying to bring back that summer look. So for me, I'm using summer products in the fall because I want to look like it's summer. Is that crazy? Gives you a natural flush, like you're blushing, like there's a cutie pie talking to ya. Which, who doesn't want that? You know what I'm saying? I'm using the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof eyeliner. Some on the tight line right here. The Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I forgot how much I actually really like this. And I'm gonna show you guys a trick that I like to use. If you have like naturally long lashes like I do, typically when I put on mascara, the first coat, it makes them so long that they touch the back of my eyelid, and then I get mascara all over my eyelid, and that's just not cute. So this trick that I found that works pretty well, take your finger and you lift your eye like this, and you apply the mascara with your eye lifted so that your eyelashes don't touch the back of your eyes. And you look like a crazy person, okay? But it works. You just go like this. Lift it. And there's nothing. There's nothing! Is I like to take like the tip of the wand and kind of like go over the ends of my lashes. So it kind of like wings out at the end. It just makes them look, I don't know, it makes them look like almost like false lashes. I don't know, I think it's really pretty. The trash man has arrived, so we're just gonna have to deal with all the clinking. But another pro tip is take a Q-tip, and if you have any mascara transfer or anything on the back of your lid, you just close your eyes and just go like this. And typically, I will have a little bit of creasing with the skin milk, so I kind of like to just remove any product that is on the back of my eye, because I don't need like foundation there necessarily. Is lips. And I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not a huge lip girl, okay? I usually just put like some lip gloss on, call it a day. I'm not really into lipstick, lip liners, lip stains. I'm not into that right now yet. Maybe one day I will be. But I have this So Juicy ColourPop lip gloss, and it's got this beautiful like kind of berry tint. Perfect for the fall. So that's what I'm gonna use today. It just gives like a light color. Nothing too crazy. Perfect for every day. Typically this takes me like 10 minutes or less in the morning. Very practical. And the last step is setting spray. Cannot live without setting spray. I've been loving this e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. It is a dupe for the MAC Fix Plus Coconut Setting Spray. It's fine mist. It doesn't like make your skin blotchy. It doesn't spray in like one section of your face. Highly recommend. Guys, this is my everyday fall makeup routine. The only fall makeup routine you need to be watching. It's easy, it's quick, it's light, it's dewy, it's fresh, it's bronzy. It's giving that summer glow that we wish we still had, that summer bronze that we wish we still had, which is all that I'm really searching for in life. So if you like this video, subscribe for more. Give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment. What are you using in your fall makeup routines? What kind of items are you switching up? What kind of items are staying? What are you adding? What are you subtracting? Do you have the e.l.f. Halo Glow? Do you love it? Do you hate it? I would love to know. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.